Hello watchers, subscribers and my dear ones. Today in this video you will learn how to make calculator in Scratch, how to use sensing block, how to use condition in program, how to make variable, what is operators, and using mathematical operation in Scratch. These all functions we are learned in only one program. So let's start the program application. In the Scratch application, we are taking the block when I am clicked on green flag from the events block. Now to do the calculator, we need three variables. So first of all, click on the variable block and make a variable. First variable is first number. Okay. Next variable is second number. Third variable is answer. Now we are taking ask block from the sensing block. What is first of all sensing block? The sensing block is used to sense the keyboard input while executing the script. Now what is ask block? First of all, I am taking ask block from the sensing block menu. Now what is ask block? The ask block prompts the user to type input using the keyboard. So here we are giving the input like give me first number. Give me first number. Next, we will set the first number to the answer. So, click on the variable block and take set block. Here, we are choosing first number. First number to answer. Answer is in the sensing block. Click on the sensing block and take the answer. So we have set first number to the next answer. Now duplicate this code and we have put beneath the set block, and now I will take second number. So here I am just typing give me second number, and here set the second number to answer, and take the wait 1 second block from the control block to wait 1 seconds. Next, I will take forever loop from the control block. Now, I would like to add ask block. In the ask block, I am typing what would you like to do. Plus, minus, multiplications or divisions. What would you like to do? Next, I am taking if conditions. What is conditions? To put a check in any problem, a condition is to be applied. It allows the program to select an actions based upon the user's input. So यहाँ पर हमने कौन सा इनपुट दिया है उस पर कंडीशन से वो परफॉर्म करेगा. सपोज मैंने प्लस प्रेस किया है कीबोर्ड में से तो वो एडिशन करेगा. आई विल टेक इफ कंडीशंस फ्रॉम द कंट्रोल ब्लॉक. If conditions from the control block. Okay. Now take the answer block from sensing. आंसर ब्लॉक लेने से पहले हम ऑपरेटर्स यूज करेंगे. वी आर यूजिंग ऑपरेटर्स. ऑपरेटर्स इज इक्वल टू and put the answer block in the operators equal to and here press the plus signs and put now this operator in the if conditions. Now we are set answer to first number plus second number. So click on the variable block. Set block. Take the set block. Here answers to first number to second number, but before that we have to use plus operator. So click on the operators. Take the plus operators. Here choose the first number and second number. So it is in the variable block. Take the first number and second number to do addition. Now these operators block set into the set block. Next, take the say block from the looks block and set the answer. Here click on the variable and set the answer. Okay, now just check the program. So I'm running this program. Run. Give me first number 10. Enter. Next second number is 20. Now they are asking what would you like to do? Addition. So plus sign and enter. So our answer will be 30. Okay, now just copy this code if block, duplicate the if block and put beneath the next if block. Just make some changes. Here in the next operation is our subtraction, so put the minus sign. Here in the operators, first of all change this operator. Click on the operators and take the subtraction operator, and again take the first variable and second variable. So first variable is first number and second variable is second number, and just put these operators into set block. Okay, again copy this if block, duplicate this block and put beneath the if block and make changes. Next operation is multiplications, so do the sign of multiplications and this block blocks, change with multiplication sign, and take first variable and second variable. First variable is first number and second variable is second number. Put this block into the set block. Again copy this block. Next operation is division, so do the sign of division. Change these operators. Next operation is division with the variable, first variable for first number, second variable for second number, and put this block into the set block. Okay, so our 4 operations are ready: plus, minus, multiplications and divisions. So let's run this program. Okay, I am running this program. Give me first number. Here I am typing 50 and second number is 20. What would you like to do? Here I am pressing plus sign. Here you can see 50 plus 20 is 70. 50 plus 20 is 70. Now next operations I would like to do minus sign subtractions with the same numbers. So I am pressing the minus sign and enter. So 50 minus 20 is 30. Next operations is multiplications and enter. So 50 into 20, 1000. And last operation is division, enter. So 50 by 20 is 2.5. If you want to do different operations with a different number, then just refresh this program and run again. Suppose here, let's suppose I am typing 80 and 10, and now I am giving multiplication sign. Then it is 18 into 10, it is 100. So you can give the different numbers with different operations. It's up to you. Okay, so do you like this program? I hope you found this video helpful. Please hit the like button to let me know, and subscribe to Smart Studies Smart Work channel and tap on the bell icon for future updates. Thanks for watching. Thank you.